दिन पता चला है लोकेशन है, वेरी डिफिकल्ट प्लेस. We have to do because it's Chennai. And first day when we went there, the weather was bad. We couldn't see anything. It was very bad. The weather was bad. It was raining. There was mist all around. There was no visibility, and we couldn't shoot that day. But usme bhi, on that cliff, what we did is we played cricket. We were enjoying, though we couldn't shoot, and we came back down, in the evening. We thought that the rains will stop or the mist will clear, but it didn't happen that day. We all had to just come down the cliff again after so much of difficulties reaching there without shooting anything.
धूप हो, बारिश हो, बरसात हो, तूफान, हम काम करते रहते हैं. या चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस.
That was one very beautiful location. जंगल का एक पोर्शन करना था. अब बारिश गिर चुकी थी वहाँ पे. जब आप स्क्रीन पे देखोगे तो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. जो लीच होती हैं, वो जो इट सक्स योर ब्लड, वो वहाँ पर बहुत थी. और वो कब आपके जिस्म में चढ़ जाएगी या बॉडी पे कब आती है, व्हेन इट इज सकिंग योर ब्लड, यू डोंट कम टू नो. तो पूरी यूनिट 2 दिन सिर्फ यही करती रहती थी. मतलब ये शॉट चल रहा है एंड एवरीबॉडी इज लाइक, और किसी बहुत लोगों को काटा भी लीच ने. देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन आल्सो हैपनिंग उस वहां पर भी. But we just pulled it off that also, like, and it's a very, that location was very beautiful. And gradually that's what happened. After 3 days we started working. The weather was good.
This is our last way of escaping, but the last mode of escape also is now going down a cliff. So I am desperately trying to hold back the car.
Now the issue was that the car was locked. It used to go down the cliff, but वो ऊपर आना बहुत मुश्किल होता था. When I see it today, or when I think about it, it was like what madness I have done. Because the car comes down, it gets locked. I used to jump, sit in the car, and bring the car back up again. It was madness. That was one shot. I'll ask Shah Rukh sir once whether he'll do it or not, and he was like, हाँ करते क्या करना है, गाड़ी का बम्पर पकड़ना है, गाड़ी क्लिफ से उतर रही है और आपको साथ में जाना. तो he looked at me, अच्छा कुछ होगा नहीं. ऐसा नहीं कुछ नहीं होगा, you don't worry. निकलने छोड़ दे तू. कैमरा छोड़. एक्शन.
It does hurt your thigh, knee, and a little bit of your stomach, your privates, but I could actually do it much better. I feel very scared because of my shoulder. If it gets a little more toned, then I won't be able to move it at all. Right now I can't move it beyond this. So if it gets a little more toned, then I can't move it at all. But good fun. It's like a roller coaster.
The car went inside the water and we were like, chhod dein, but we were like, nahi, because of the environment issue, we thought, okay, let's remove it, it's not right. And you'll be surprised to know that my mechanics, they made the Jeep again, and this Jeep is still in my office, still running. It's still working. Okay, nice. सब हो चुका है इस फिल्म में. इसमें ट्रेन हो गया, देन इसमें कार चेस हो गई, रोड हो गया, एंड देन केम अ सीक्वेंस जहाँ पे बोट्स इन्वॉल्व थी, वाटर वाज इन्वॉल्व. अगेन अ डिफिकल्ट सीक्वेंस, अगेन बैक टू गोवा. वहाँ पर होता ही है कि थिंग्स आर नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल बिकॉज इट्स वाटर. Sea used to get rough. We were shooting on a trawler. जो पूरा it used to almost touch the sea water. The water used to come in, and we had to shoot inside that trawler for 5 days. Again, a huge unit. Action involved, boats involved, choppers involved. There was a lot of coordination required in the sequence. जैसे मेरे दिमाग में था कि यू नो but very difficult. But again, it was good fun. I think I've shot Golmaal there, I've shot Golmaal Returns there, I've shot Golmaal 3 there, I've shot All the Best there, I've shot Singham there, and now I've shot Chennai Express also there. वहाँ पर एक दिन की शूटिंग थी. उस दिन शाह सर की तबीयत भी थोड़ी सी खराब थी. He had fever and he had to be in the water. शुरुआत बहुत अच्छे से हुई और फिर हम सब बदतमीज हो गए. All of us were in water. हम भूल गए कि वो सी रफ है या जो भी है, कैमरा लेके हर चीज लेके, लाइक वी ऑल वर इनसाइड द वाटर शूटिंग दैट सीक्वेंस. When you see it on screen, बहुत डायनामिक लगता है. अगेन